Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming essentials. Make sure Bluetooth and location are on, then open the Earbuds app or phone's Find My feature. Once done, check the device list for the last known connection time and tap the play sound or locate button. You do this because a recent connection gives a short-range fix. A sound gives an audible clue. If the app shows a general area, move toward that direction slowly while listening and watching signal indicators to narrow the search quickly. Now you focus on signal tracking. Use RSSI or signal strength indicators in the app or a BLE scanner to watch dBm values fall and rise. Once you see improving signal strength, pause and sweep the immediate area methodically. Check couch seams, under furniture, bags, pockets, and the charging case. Move in short steps and rotate your phone to detect directionality. If the signal is intermittent, stay still when it peaks to isolate a small radius. This helps you pinpoint earbuds. Finish by securing found earbuds or enabling fallback measures. If you locate them, place both in the charging case and confirm they appear as charged in the app so they don't disconnect. Once done, mark them as found or remove lost mode. If they remain missing, enable lost mode or notify when found and register the missing status with the manufacturer. If things go wrong, try this troubleshooting tip. Restart your phone, toggle Bluetooth, and try pairing from a different device to rule out phone-side issues before declaring them lost.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.